we'll go a step further on balancing the samana. Morning I did not introduce you the samana concept, introduce the samana concept to you. Actually, in the morning satsang I introduced, that's why I left it. That under every hair pore, you have an air bag. If that is filled with prana energy, then your body levitates. That's what exactly happens. So it cannot be filled directly by ordinary breathing. When you breathe, thoughts are also working, flowing along with it, are getting raised. Like when the air blows on the sandy area, naturally the sand dust goes with the air. That is what is like an ordinary breathing. Like when you breathe, there will be thoughts in the mind, in the body. Means the loose biomemory. See, understand, your body is like a ground. If it is like a desert, simple breathing is enough, too much dust will come up. If it's like a rock, any cyclone, there will not be any dust. Nothing can happen. If your biomemory is too much of engrams, a small breeze is enough. It will be completely all dust. It will be like a sand cyclone. They call it sandstorm. But if breathing can happen without thought, then it's like a storm on the rocks, stone. Nothing will happen. I think you are understanding this major two concepts. If you breathe but no thought, the air bag under the hair pore will get filled. Because only that subtlest air energy can fill that air bag. But if you are breathing and there are thoughts, it will be an ordinary breathing. It's prana process. Breathing with thought. Let me give you the simple definition. Breathing with thought is prana. But breathing without thought is samana. Only when samana happens in you, the body gets levitated. Morning I tried the samana balancing just with visualization. Now we will go through some pranayam and visualization. Pranayam and visualization. Yes, Vajrasana is very, very good. If you can sit in Vajrasana or Padmasana, that is best. Otherwise, just sit in ordinary way. Whoever can sit in Vajrasana, sit in Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, you levitate very quickly. Vajrasana levitation will be very easy. Now we will do two things. One, filling your whole system with the samana. That will be done by Sambhavi Mahamudra. See, thumb inside the ears. First let me show you. Then the next two fingers on the eyes, and the ring finger on the nose. These two, the little finger on the mouth. Only the nose fingers need to be continuously active. Means, please listen, lock both nostrils as long as possible. When you feel really, no, you can't hold anymore, just take out, release. Don't inhale or exhale. Let the body balance. Understand? You don't do no. Just leave it. Body will automatically inhale or exhale, but not more than 5 seconds. Lock again. Only the people who special attention needed. Raise your hands. People who need special attention, like a high blood pressure, any other heart problem. You don't strain yourself. Try as much as you can, comfortably. The moment you feel little uncomfort, leave it. Don't do. Oh, that is okay. You can do just with the empty hand. It's open. You don't need to go to the mudra. All of you are clear about the instruction? Yes. Can you remove specs? Yes. So get into the Shambhavi Mahamudra. Huh? Now all eyes closed. I am closing all the senses. No. Just close all the senses. Yes. Lock. Now please, you don't need to tie the ribbon, remove the ribbon. Just lock yourself in the Shambhavi Mahamudra. Thumb in the ears, 2 finger on the eyes, the ring finger on the nose, little finger on the lips. Lock completely. Lock the nostrils. Stop the airflow. When you feel you can't really handle, only then release. Not more than 5 seconds. Lock again. Continue the same process. During this process, be stable. Don't allow the body movement. physical movement. Last few minutes, so do it intensely. Relax. Now just sit in Vajrasana or in Padmasana in Samana Mudra, hands locked. Get back to the same visualization. Relax. Relax your hands. Sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana. No back support now. Get your hands to Samana Mudra. Get back to the same process. Yes, Samana Mudra is relax. Hands in Samana Mudra. Samana Mudra means locking it. And relax, please remove your hand from the head. Now sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana and lock your hands in Samana Mudra. Samana Mudra means just simple locking. Sit. Go back to the same visualization. Whether a thought or a feeling or idea of body, everything is just random fish jumping in the ocean of your inner space. Get back to the same process. Whatever is happening in you, thought, emotion, everything is just a random fish jumping in the ocean. Let the process happen in you all. Let the alchemy happen in you all. Let the alchemy happen in all of you. Feel any idea, any thought, any emotion, any experience happening in you is just random fishes jumping in the ocean of your inner space. You are the pure space where even the idea of your body is a one more random fish jumping. But we may have to go through few more mudras and kriyas for everyone to experience the lightness of the body. Now I can feel, many are psychologically feeling the lightness, but still it has not become a physical experience, stuck with the psychological level. How many of you are able to feel psychologically you become very light, but physically the body is not levitating? Good.